In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a subpage in Wix, step by step, using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you want to organize your website better, create drop-down menus, or structure your content in a more professional way. Whether you're building a business website, a portfolio, or a blog, subpages help keep everything clean and easy to navigate. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, open the site you want to edit using Wix Studio. This will take you into the Wix Studio editor, where you can manage your pages, design, and layout. Make sure you're inside the editor before moving on to the next step. Now, on the left-hand side of the editor, look for the Pages panel. Click on it to open the full list of pages on your website. This panel shows all your main pages and any existing subpages you may already have. To create a new page, click on the Add Page option. Wix will give you the option to create a new page from scratch or use a template, depending on your needs. Once the new page is created, you'll see it appear in the Pages panel as a regular page. At this point, it's not a subpage yet. To turn it into a subpage, simply click and drag the new page slightly to the right under the main page you want it to belong to. When you drag it correctly, you'll notice it snap into place underneath the parent page. This visual indentation means it's now a subpage. After you've created the subpage, click on it to customize it. You can rename the page, adjust its URL, and start designing the content just like any other page in Wix. You can add text, images, buttons, and sections depending on what you want the subpage to include. This is especially useful for things like services pages, product categories, or additional information pages. Next, check your site menu to make sure the subpage appears correctly. Wix automatically adds subpages to drop-down menus under the main page. If you don't see it, open the menu settings and confirm that the page is set to be visible. You can also reorder subpages or hide them from the menu if needed. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save your changes. Then click Preview to see how your subpage looks from a visitor's perspective. If you're happy with the layout and navigation, go ahead and publish your site so the changes go live. And that's it. You've successfully created a subpage in Wix using Wix Studio. This simple step can make a huge difference in how professional and organized your website looks. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.